Fastest way to create short video for TikTok is using Crayo AI. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll show you step by step the fastest way to create short video for TikTok using Crayo AI tutorial. Crayo AI is a powerful tool designed to help users create engaging short videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you are new to video creation or looking to streamline your process, Crayo AI offers a user-friendly platform perfect for creating content for TikTok and other social media platforms. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using Crayo AI to create short videos, ensuring you can start producing high-quality content in no time. So, why we use Crayo AI? First, we have ease of use. Crayo AI's attentive interface makes it accessible for beginners. You have also speed, quickly generate videos without extensive editing knowledge. You have also quality, produce a professional looking videos that capture attention. Finally, we have efficiency, save time with automated features and smart templates. So to understand, first step you need to do, open your web browser and dive into Crayo.ai. This is the website. We have here a lot of information that help you guys. So let's scroll down. Here we have from idea to short video in seconds. This is important things that you should know it. We have here create unlimited short video at ounce, auto generate captions, effects, background and music for you. We have 3 steps. First we have write and outline. Start with writing scripts using a prompt or using templates suggestion. The second one we have customize and style. Select background, video, voice and a music from free templates. The third one we have finish and export. Choose export format and download generated videos, script or narration. About the first one we have select your story topic like Clockwork Detective, Garden of Whispers or Journey to Avior. Second one we have select story tone. You can select funny, mystery, horror. Here we have max word. You can select how much word you want. Then about customize and style, you can select your front style, the quick brown fox over, select story background, William Mail, Henry Mail, Jason Mail as you want. Then you finish and export. Here we have a lot of information guys. As you can see, here we have ultimate tool for social media growth. Create unlimited shorts video at ounce, auto generate captions, effects, background and music for you. Have your Instagram reels, turn Instagram use into exciting content by adding gameplay to keep viewers entertained. We have also TikTok videos. Use AI to make money from the CPB program by creating entertaining content using Crayo. Also fastless content. You can just create a video using just a script and create a captivating content. Also Reddit stories. Use AI to take a Reddit stories and turn it into an AI generated video. Also YouTube shorts. Create YouTube shorts using AI voice over scripts generation to help you make content. Also Instagram reels. Use AI JC creators and on Crayo to make content for you rather than using your own face. We have also our customer us and like Daniel, Said, Mo, Alem, Arab, Musas. Here we have experience Crayo and navigation. So about pricings, as you can see, we have monthly, we have also yearly. Let's talk about monthly first. We have essential plan, we have 19 for each month, 40 export minutes. About enclosed we have 20 AI videos, 25 scripts, 30 minutes of voiceover, 100 AI image. About 39 for each month. We have 80 exports minutes, includes we have 50 AI videos, 100 scripts, 60 minutes of voiceover, then 250 AI image. About 79 we have for each month. We have 180 exports minutes, includes we have 125 AI videos, limited scripts, 120 minutes of voiceover, and 500 AI image. About yearly we have, as you can see, 160 for each year. For exports have the same. For Pro plan we have 327 for each year. Pro plan we have 664 for each year. Have the same pack here. It's like monthly, just you will pay for a year. For Creo, we have here the home page, my projects, my uploads, video editor, generate story video, generate voice-over video, generate text to image video, and all script generators. Here they choose the quick. As you can see, it's like that. So then if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over here and click over sign in. You will write your name, your email, and you can start. So this is the home page. We have here start creating, generate story video, create an AI generated story video, generate AI text to image video, create ChatGPT like image video, generate voiceover, make high quality voiceover in seconds. About popular apps we have split screen video, fake text video, AI avatars, and other things. Voiceover story, knowledge YouTube videos. So here we have Creo, we have dashboard, Creo editor, my projects, my exports, my assets. About Creo we have split video, story video, text video, blur video, ChatGPT video, voiceover video. About tools we have AI images, AI voiceover, AI avatars, AI brainstorm, and other things. We have also more affiliate, Discord. So this is for the home page. So Crayo AI is an excellent tool for beginners looking to create short, impactful videos for TikTok. By following this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to producing professional quality content quickly and efficiently. Happy creating. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.